on your photos, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely needs a tornado warning. Look at the inflow into it, the southeasterly winds. All right, if we have a view right here, I want you to stop. No, we don't have a good view of anything.
How am I going to turn around?
If it dropped a tornado, we can't see it from here. That's the only bad thing about riding this flat. Wow.
Thank you, Roger.
Oh, man. What a storm. Goodness, Connor.
Wow.
Look at the clear slot back there. So less than 5 miles away now. Less than 5 miles. If it ever tornadoed, it would be on the left side where the clouds were racing from right to left. Then they're wrapping around on the front side of it. That's the main mezzo. What's that? It's done, yeah. It's sure trying. It's looking interesting there. Supercell.
Southeast on 11.
Okay.
Southeast on 11 may actually be the best choice.
Okay. Down to Ord.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we're gonna have to go. We got to get in front of this thing. Look at the rotation there, man. You can see it spinning hard.
Sorry. Didn't mean to clip you there.
Dude, look
Connor, I'm gonna guide you.
yeah, I need help for sure.
Structure wide above our head with the rings, has the rings of Saturn above it, is what we call that. We're gonna have to get south or get east and get back in front of it on a hill somewhere where we have a much better shot.
That was cool.
That was awesome.
But the hook's closed up now.
Yeah, velocity's gone.
Figured I'd test that
Velocity's still
hypothesis
there.
for you.
Is it gone? Or still there? I guess
Yeah.
mine's old.
I just disappeared into like
Oh, we
four
gotta do this
layers
soon.
deep into
Yep.
the cornfield.
Wait for everybody.